just checked me in was so sweet. The way I didn't even recognize my own bag. This is how I look after. I'm near the exit, but I never recorded or vlogged because I was just so busy, you know? One thing I want to say, shout out to anyone from Texas. I feel bad for you guys. It was so hot. It was like 10 p.m. and it was like 90 degrees. I feel for you guys, like, damn. The trip to Texas was amazing. This one, I just was sleeping and I wanted it to go by. There's like a pool area there, but there are 3 different paths. I want to explore them. Oh, I'm in Cambridge, by the way. I don't think I ever said that. My uncle stays at Cambridgeshire or something. That's what he was saying. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know how to get back, but it's okay. Use my intuition. Wow. Whoa, you guys. What is that? It's so big. Okay, it's running away. I think those are ducks. I have no idea where I am, but it's super cute. Guys, that's low-key mad nasty. What would I? No, I'm scared. I won't do that. I think this is endless. This goes up to Cambridge town, I think. I wonder if these are edible. Oh my god, I want to try it so bad. Ooh. Sunny as hell, bro. Like, I left Dallas and now this, bro. That's Cambridge town, I'm pretty sure. I can basically walk there. Guys, no cap. I think this is the entrance to Cambridge. Cause like it's not across, but it's like in the middle of a whole like canal thing. So I deadass think I'm here. He's starving. Okay. I was there and I was gonna go there, and so I saw a construction guy and I ended up asking him. Bro, he gave me such good directions. It's literally all here. Guys, I'm so glad I don't care and I asked for directions. That guy was so clutch. It sounded so annoying. Okay, I made it. I mean, I love to vlog, but I'll just start showing you guys. This is Queens College. I was trying to walk there, but now I'm kind of intrigued, so I'm gonna go in here. We made it to OPM headquarters. I'm joking, please. Don't, just chill out, it's a joke. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I think I made it to like the main area. At least like, it doesn't say anything. But I think this is like the most main area, so I'm here. I've never ever been inside here. I've seen the outside of Cambridge, but I've never been inside. Also, this is the chapel. Oh my god. Can you leave me alone, please? Please. You guys, the bugs. But anyways, I'm gonna try to enter this because I saw people inside. Yeah. Look at them cows. Look at that bridge. That's where the water is. That's what I'm saying. they're closing like little markets up. It's 4, maybe 5. Ooh, look at that, so pretty. Like everything here is so pretty. So I'm sitting here because I just kept walking trying to find a sitting area. Couldn't find one, but I kind of want to show you guys. This was the only water they had. Anyways, I got this. This is what I want to have real quick. It says Plenish because literally my lips are so dry. Raspberry and pomegranates. Ironically, my 2 favorite fruits. That was good. This is, I don't know what that is. It's a thing. That's how I look. I'm holding this really weirdly. I don't know why I started holding it like this, but it's okay comfy. I'm just heading back right now. I'm trying to walk to that like gothic structure you can see in the corner. I'm behind everyone now. The estates are massive. Like I'm thinking of like Bridgerton and like, I don't know, you know the hierarchy stuff in UK? Like we're still walking. Yo, I just want to sit. No, I'm joking. I'm acting like a brat. I think we're at the farm. I don't know what the heck is going on. Yeah, why is this so big? It just keeps going. I'm gonna cry. I'm holding my breath. I'm struggling. I'm not even being dramatic, I'm actually gonna cry. Okay, I just went outside, I don't even care. Cows. I don't want to say I'm a city girl, but clearly I am because this country stuff is insane. I mean, this thing looks cool though. You already know I have to do it. So much fruit, I have to pick it. Let's try it. Wow. Surprisingly sweet. I like it. Crunchy. I don't know if you can see. Oh, now all the kids are running here because I went back to give them some. I kind of left because it's too much for me. I'm not a kid person. Like, I love my cousins, don't get me wrong, but here. You literally just pick it and eat it. Here you go, baby. Okay, so I left them again because the kids kept wanting like all of them, like a swarm. I don't know how many there are. There are 8 of them. There's a bumblebee. Hi. Where is it? Hi, baby. Hey guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. That's another thing I don't like to. Is that a ladybug? I think they're. Guys, I'm so annoyed. Stop that right now. I'm traumatized. So, ladybugs landing on you means good luck. 2 ladybugs having it? Why would they want to do that right in front of me? I think this is from the States. So I'm trying to walk back to everyone. I think I'm lost because I don't recognize anything and I've never seen I literally don't know where I am. I'm walking straight though because I feel like that's where I was. I feel like I'll figure it out though. I'm gonna keep walking straight. So I'm here. There are so many different paths. I think we're in the farm area. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight. Guys, are these cherry tomatoes? Also, I am still lost, but we're finding other stuff. Guys, for real, what the heck is this? Why did the roads keep like crossing? So I picked out a lot. I don't even know if these are cherry tomatoes. Like maybe they're not. As my cousins would say, tomatoes. I'm back to where the chickens are and they're right there. Right in front of me. I'm gonna ask if I can eat these. Guys, I think I'm sunburnt and I don't get sunburnt because I'm never in the sun. This is matcha. Update, I'm in London now. I feel so good. Guys, I'm not a country girl at all. Basically, where I'm walking at, it's called Regent's Canal, but I'm assuming if I follow the canal, it will lead to the park. Basically, my goal is just to go to the park. This is literally a camel. Oh. Hey, so I just finished with my lunch. All I have is, there's like a waterfall, so I'm walking to that. I did bring stuff to draw with, but I haven't been in the mood, so I'm just walking to the waterfall right now. Oh god, this is where I should have been. It's so peaceful. The other place was just like a park, you know? I think these are tiger lilies. I remember my friend back in middle school asked me what my favorite flower is, and I said tiger lilies, even though I've never seen them. I just seen pictures. I'm not gonna lie, this whole thing, like, it looks like something you'd see out of a movie. This is insane. Okay guys, this is such a nice spot. I like 1000% recommend pulling up here, okay? Y'all, I think this is the entrance.
No, I'm walking.
These ones smell really, really good. Lovely lady. You smell so good. Thank This is so mesmerizing. I've been watching them, and I don't know if you guys have seen bumblebees. I don't think bumblebees are where we live. Like I've never seen one, but they're so like big. Like they can't like fly. They just go like, you know, compared to bees. It's so cute. I've just been walking. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm done with Regent's Park and all of those cute little gardens. I'm going to this bookstore that my uncle said is really cool. It's like super old, but why does everything just look so cool? Like I'm sure it's something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm walking there right now. It's currently 4. I think I'm somewhere here. They were super sweet. He gave me this bag. I don't know if I was eligible for the bag, but I got 5 books that I did not need, but I had to get. I'm gonna go here just because it looks super cute. So there's a garden behind me, but I don't think it's for public use. Like you need a key and there's like a private event. But there's this museum and it says like you can enter. Should I enter? The way I can't read, it's literally closed at 5 and it's 5 right now. Like it's 4:59 and the guy was like looking at me and I was asking like what is this? Like it's a museum. And then I didn't hear what he said, but he said like be closed in 2 minutes. I'm like, oh shoot, like let me get out. He's like, bro, just pull up tomorrow at 10, so I might go. I got distracted and I turned to this little park because that's so pretty. It's so funny hearing the bells, but I'm walking back. The matcha place was so good. I totally recommend. On my way to V&A Museum. There's so much to look at. I've barely seen the first floor. This is so Guys, this is a little art studio. I want one. What was I pressing? Oh my god. Y'all, no cap, I don't know what this is. Like, I'm just walking, but like, wow. It's crazy. This is so crazy. See right here, that's what it is. It's the Albert Memorial. Who was Albert? Everything's Albert, bruh. I know Victoria, but who the hell is Albert? But this is crazy. Oh my god, so I think this is what my cousin was talking about, because she was texting me and she's like, be sure you walk past the memorial. Girl, I'm not even walking past, I'm going to the memorial. Like, I'm not gonna lie, yesterday and today has been super fun because I get super distracted. And what's better than to get distracted in a city that you can just, like, there's always stuff. With Albert. I was gonna say with the homie, but I doubt that person was a good person, no offense. I'm making that assumption. I asked how the Sudbury works. Guys, I'm so sick of myself. Anything I see, I somehow make it a One Piece reference. Like, one of the art materials was alabaster, and I was like, oh my gosh, but I didn't take a picture of it. I saw iceberg, like a flower called iceberg, and I'm like, oh my god, iceberg. Oh my god, and anytime I see a treasure chest, I'm like, oh my gosh, One Piece. Anytime I see a ship, like, my mind, it needs to be freed. Mind you guys, I haven't been watching. Like, I need to free myself. Like, I feel like once you get into it, there's just no escape. I thought this was a restaurant, but it's like a Japanese exhibition. Super cute. I'm like obsessed. The best. This is literally the best. That's really good base. Oh my god. It's so good.
The next station is...
What day is it? It's Tuesday. Here's the 5th. I'm going to Paris tomorrow and I don't like any of the clothes I brought, so I'm really hoping I can at least find really cute shades and a cute fit, like a whole outfit. But hopefully I do, so I'm just gonna go shopping real quick. There's no one on the bus. I think I like walking a lot more. Whenever I'm taking the train or the bus, I feel like you have to keep in mind I'm not used to taking public transportation. Like, when I'm driving, my music is blasted, so it's so numbing, you know? Everything looks cool, but I'm on a mission and I must not get distracted. Okay, so this is supposed to be like the biggest water stones, and I think it's that many stories high. I'm so excited. I can't get books, it's so heavy. I accidentally got distracted. I didn't even realize this is floor 2 and I need to be at floor 3. So this spot is basically right next to Waterstones. I guess I'll walk to like Piccadilly Circuit, like Circle. I was gonna say Circus, maybe it is Circus. But I do want sunglasses, at least sunglasses. And if I can't find a fit, I'll literally go tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'll walk to. I have an hour left. Ooh, nice. I'll walk to the little Circle area. It's not that I got distracted, but the fact that they made this whole spot for Trafalgar, like, I gotta pull up, you know? Low-key, Law's my favorite character. I feel like this doesn't really match his vibes, though. Why'd they design it like this? That's the big fan right there. And then Dallas Square. Actually, like, whatever. I don't know if you can see. It's so nice up here. Like, this is my view. It's like the Big Ben. And I can just like, I don't know. Maybe because it's a lost spot. I don't know. It's cute. I like it. I like how they have like a spot just for law. I think that's so sweet and so considerate. You can sit here the whole day. Just like. But there's a national museum, like an art gallery, another one here, which I had no idea. Do you think I can like look through everything in 20 minutes? I don't know, but I would love to see a museum and I don't know how to enter.
You want me to not go away in the seat?
That's the gallery. I just got pizza.